مركز شتات شرق أملج اليوم الثلاثاء. اللهم اجعلها أمطار خير وبركة.
Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 31st of January 2023 in Tabuk, Saudi Arabia. The National Center of Meteorology announced that most regions of the country will experience rain and thunderstorms.
هذه المقطع ذا الهداء لاخويا.
Rain will be accompanied by hail, active dust, lack of horizontal visibility, and heavy rain.
مطرنا بفضل الله ورحمته. هكذا كان يقول النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم وقت نزول الأمطار.
Jeddah authorities have warned residents to follow official instructions regarding precautionary measures.
سيول مركز شتات شرق أملج. الله ما شاء الله تبارك الله.
Snow is also expected to fall in the highlands of the region of Tabuk, including Aylos Mountains. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.